installations. It was hard to keep the number of things down that we wanted to share with you, but two will do for today. The first, crossing, a process environment for Lent, was part of our first year. Ash Wednesday, a rope stretches from ceiling to floor, rooted in a box of sod, a slight cut in the rope. This is what we see at the beginning. All Lent, the rope continues to fray. Passion Sunday, nearing Holy Week, we see that the inside core is red. And on Good Friday is severed. Here, the top. On the floor, the entrail. A profound experience. That rainy afternoon, 50 people sat on the floor surrounding this icon, and person by person read the verses from the servants' songs of Isaiah. The second environment, city of surfeit meaning too much. Part of a series on the anxieties of life in the late 20th century. A rope handle opens the crude wood door, and stepping inside, a veritable burial chamber of bottles, boxes, containers that we collected from 25 different groups over the last few months. Inane advertising is incongruously seeded throughout the room. Pleasing you more, we're big on that. Meanwhile, in the crevices in between, figures of the poor look out at us. A lone chair surveys the scene. Chapel of the Holy Care, Bon Secours Hospital, Grosse Pointe, Michigan. We attribute the real beginning of our work in sacred space to our Sister Rosaria Bushing.